Good evening, everybody. It is I again, your friendly neighborhood Bran Flakes. I have today something interesting. Yes, it is the Rubik's Phantom. Apparently it is like a touch sensitive one that goes dark. So I've seen the Rubik's Cube they had in the past. I think it was called the Rubik's Light. I never actually got it because it was kind of expensive, but this one was only 15 bucks, so I figured why not. Yes, let me make some room. I will move my books, which you can buy on Amazon, out of the way. Yes, okay, here we have my nerd card and the product itself. I assume it is electric, because how else would you do it except for like voodoo or something? I don't really know what to say. I really just want to see what it looks like. Here it is. It's interesting. See if there's any more in the box. No. Not even a charge cable, huh? So. Wow. This is weird. Before I futz around with this too much, let's go ahead and compare it to what a modern cube looks like. It's actually pieces of plastic instead of stickers, which I think is pretty cool because then they last way longer. They're not fraying like over here on this Meffert's 2x2. So they're amazing. They used to be like, you know, moving bricks together. So I don't know how to turn this thing on. There's no cube. Oh, whoa, hold on. I can kind of see it. It's not very bright. Hold on, what? Whoa, holy cow, what? It has like heat stickers. So it's not electric. What in the world? Hold on, I'm gonna turn off the light. Remember those things? Holy cow, wait. Remember those draw pad things? Where you would draw on them? I wonder if turning the light back on will do anything. Oh yeah, there it is. What? This is so weird. This is so weird. Why? What's the logic behind this? That is so cool. It's starting to come to. Okay, so that's this orange or red. That's orange, red, blue. This is wacky. I don't know what the point is. This is actually really cool. I see what they call a phantom. What? This is the weirdest thing. Look at the yellow. I swear when I opened this up, it was just a black cube. And now the colors are there. Is it like friction? Or is it just heat? That is so weird. That is so cool though. Honestly. Wow. Okay. That's a lot cooler than I thought it was gonna be. Assuming that this is the intended effect. I mean, wow. I don't even really think I'm gonna have to add many edits into this reaction. I mean, I'm not even a reactionary channel. I just open stuff that's cool. By the way, give me a subscription if you found this video interesting. But yeah, this is pretty cool. It's just me and Bobby McGee. I don't know if that's a chip. Yeah, I assumed it was going to be like electric. Like maybe one of these things came up and you know, plug it in and, you know, ooh, turned on like the Rubik's Light. I think that's what it was called. But yeah, look at this. Would you look at that? It looks really cool. I mean, other than, like I said, my Transformers cube, which is gray, or this golden Rubik's Cube, which I think I actually bought from Me, Myself, and Pi, if you remember him or them. I don't know if they're still a boy. But yeah, other than this gold one and some others, this is the most unique Rubik's Cube I have ever seen. And I mean, the Rubik's Cube, does it draw an eye when somebody's solving it? Is it commonplace now? I I don't know. Anyway, but this one might draw the eye. Now, the question is the gimmick better if you like leave it alone and then wait for them to go away and then mess around with it and try to solve it as the colors come to? That alone is a pretty neat gimmick. I mean, you don't need much more than that, but there's no instructions in the box or anything. I mean, it just says, yeah, I guess they have them in 2, 3, and 4 by 4. Huh. Fight the fate as you solve the Rubik's Phantom. I guess I could have read the back of it and whatever. Maybe it's too hot in here? I don't know. Either way, this is cool. You know, Rubik's, they've done it again. They continue to just keep more or less innovating or improving their products, at least the Rubik's products. So yeah, first impression, I would recommend this darn thing. All right, I figure I will demonstrate with a quick time lapse. My record used to be, I don't know, 39 seconds. It's probably about triple that, but bear with me. We will see if I can beat the clock, as the packaging says. Ready, set, a go.
Wait.
If there's a light, a little bit extra light.
I get my stuff on. Oh shit. Oh, I almost messed it up. Woo! Alright, I'll take that.
That's not bad. It didn't even get dark in the process of solving it. If anything, it got brighter. But I like the feel. It's matte. I guess it's a little more challenging, and it's kind of a fun gimmick. It's going to be cool putting on... I'm just going to put this on the table and just kind of glance over at it as it gets dark. So for 15 bucks, it's really smooth. It's a really smooth cube. As I said, they've improved their products a lot over the years. I mean, there's no way you would be able to get that kind of speed back in the day, as they say. But yeah, nice gimmick. The green is kind of interesting. But yeah, fun little gimmick. I would recommend it if you are proficient or if you know how to solve cubes. It's a fun gift. That process of discovering, you know, actually getting your hands on it and seeing it transform for the first time was really fun. So thank you so very, very much for watching it. This is the Rubik's Cube. Even though it's German, I know I do a different accent. So thank you for watching. I appreciate it so very much. Please give the channel a subscribe and hit the bell icon for me. It helps my channel so very much. It helps me out. It helps me and my family. Help my family business and my pasta. And help with the meatball business in my restaurant. So please give it a subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Please, have a good day. Thank you very much.